Right, we just checked in. Here we're in Tozeur down by the Sahara Desert. It's the second hotel down by the Sahara we've been in. This one's definitely a little higher caliber than the first one we were in Duz. You can see here's the name here, Golden Yasmin. Got the main entrance just up here. So you walk in, beautiful marble walkway here. Off to the left here is our check-in. So my group's all checked in now. Little lounge waiting area. Here's the lobby bar. Let's take a little walk by here. Looks like a pretty nice bar. Got some wines and some a few liquors. Here most people drink wine or beer. The liquor selection's been pretty limited. Basically what I've seen so far is scotch and gin. Little pool table for the kids. And so we're just back up to the central area here. You can see off to my left there is where we came in. And just up the stairs here's the restaurant. We just had lunch there an hour ago. It was really good. Buffet is I would say is small, but a good selection, and the food was really good. Well, I'd say the best food we've had was mostly all sort of authentic Tunisian food, kind of like none of this pizza and kind of North American food, so you get the proper experience of coming to Tunisia. Now this is really nice up here. Up on top of a patio here, overlooking this pool here. This is really nice. Now this is like end of March, so temperature here is like, I think maybe it's going up to 20, 21. Not too hot. It's been a bit warmer a few days before, but we were kind of here in the cool period down in the desert here, so I don't know if I'll go swimming. I have a bit of time before our next excursion, so I may do that. So the road, all the signs to the various rooms. All the rooms seem to have their own little blocks, so it's actually a good sized property here. It's no big tower, which is a nice thing. Like on the beach resorts, they tend to kind of go high rise, pack lots of people into the get as many people as you can on the beach frontage. Let's take a little walk down the steps here. And here we have a massive indoor pool. I see a padlock on there. It may not be open now. I'm going to say it's probably not open. I don't know why not. Oh, actually, no, it is open. Okay, let's take a little look inside here. Wow, this is huge. It's very warm in here. I'm not going to last too long. Yeah, in the cooler months, this would be definitely a good choice if you want to get some water. Let's keep walking down here a bit. Get some more rooms down in this direction. I haven't been down this way yet. That's not where my room is. I'll head up there after I take a little tour down here, see what else we got. These flowers are beautiful. There's lots of date trees. We just came through the sort of saltwater, or the salt flats, I guess. Occasionally there's water in it, but it's kind of the end of the rainy season, so it was pretty well dry. There wasn't much water left in it. So you can see all these blocks of rooms here. Now, these guys got a decent sized window up on top. The room we have does not really have proper windows. They just open up to the outside. Now that was the same as the hotel we had last night in Deuce, but there appears to be no mosquitoes or anything like that. So we had the windows, like the sort of shutters wide open. Nothing came in and bit us, so that's good. See all the palm trees up here. It's a beautiful day today, blue sky. It's like fantastic weather. Because we're just heading into the kind of dry season, so you can count on there not being a lot of rain. Although our guide was telling, I think the proper dry season starts like in May or June, and after that it doesn't rain at all. But we have had a few sprinkles, like early in the morning, like 4 or 5 a.m. in the morning. You kind of wake up the next day and everything's a bit wet. Okay, so let's just, we're back at the main pool area here. That was the main lobby area. And this is pretty nice. Our room was pretty close to the main section here. So you can see there's these little pods. You can see there's pretty small windows. That seems to be the building style here. I guess in the desert, there's so much light from above, and you don't want massive windows to let the coldness out. Yeah, here's our room. Let's check out the room. Here we've got room 234. It's a good sized room. As you walk in, we've got presumably a mini fridge down here. Oh, it's actually cold, good. One glass, need to get some more. Outlet there, probably will be charging our devices. Up here we've got a bit of storage. We're here for 2 nights, so we might actually do a bit of unpacking. And good size double single beds, I guess you would call that. And that's nice. We've got the charging and light switches right next to the bed. And over here, a separate room for the toilet, which is nice. And here is the shower area and a sink with some soap and another glass, a hairdryer, and good sized shower. We're pretty close to the pool. Now, we've got a window view, which unfortunately does not point out at the pool. The pool's just off to my left here. Got a view of the next little building next to us. Air conditioner here, which I don't think we'll be needing this week. Okay, so that's it for the room tour. It's small, well kept, looks very clean. That's good. Okay, so we just rolled into the hotel here. Let's go take a look at the food selection. This is a dessert here, obviously. It's quite nice. Lots of food on display. Wow, this is, you can see it's a pretty popular place. Lots of food here. We got some soup over here. Oh, pretty good buffet spread.